How to fix a location is not available error on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix a location is not available error in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the files and go with this PC, open up your local disk C and go with the Windows. Under Windows, you'll have System 32. Click on System 32 and here you will have config option. Open up the config, and after that, if you're being able to access your config option, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the system under your config system profile and then tap on app data, and you just need to simply create a new folder and name it. So simply name it as a desktop. Here you will have the system profile option. Open up the system profile and then go with continue, and here you will have app data. Open up your app data, and here under your app data you just need to simply right click on it, and then you need to simply rename something. Like you need to add a folder and then you need to rename under your app data. Add a new folder and give it a name as desktop and hit the enter. And after that, you just need to simply restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. And also what I suggest you to do is you just need to simply go with your disk. You can simply go with your C disk, right click on it and go to the properties. And under that, you just need to simply go with tools and check or scan your drive. So you just need to simply click on check and go with scan drive. And you need to look if you are not experiencing some errors or some problems right here. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.